Hello and welcome back to OnceHub tutorial. My name is Ayman. I'm from the OnceHub support team. In today's video, we will learn how to edit an email address entered incorrectly by your customer at the time of the booking. So to do this, log into your account, go to scheduled meetings from the top left corner. You can search for your booking under my upcoming meetings, my booking request, or all meetings. Select the relevant booking. Click on three dots besides reassign the booking. Go to view calendar event. Here you can make change to the email address. Select send an updated calendar invite to guests and save it. This will make sure that the new email address is added to the calendar event. But please note that this is only applicable to the calendar event. No changes will be made to the booking notifications sent from OnceHub. If you want the booking notifications as well as reminders to go to the new email address, we recommend canceling this booking and rebooking with the new email address. That's it. Thank you for watching.